Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the image-based lighting, what we call the IBL, in your Blender 3D animation software. This is Blender 3.6. Now you can see I adjust different image for the background, for the 360-degree background. Then all of the lightings are based on the images that I set. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this. And of course, I'm going to just close everything from here and start from beginning. Now this is just a Blender 3.6 GUI and start from nothing. I'll show you step by step. First, I'm going to move this. I press G to behind here, and then I'm going to import an FBX, my 3D avatar just now, the model 02, and then I'm going to delete the light, and I will show the viewport, the rendering viewport like this. Start from nothing. I want to create the lighting. What can I do? Then the first step, move your mouse cursor to here until you can see across, then you drag it down like this and switch here to shader editor. The object, you switch it to world, and then you should be able to see this. Drag it down like this, and then here you type environment texture. So now next you can open any picture from here, but where to open, where to find the picture? First, you may just go to the polyheaven.com/HDRIs/sky. This is the URL. So copy and paste. This is the one. Then paste. This website is a free website, everything are CC0. You can just come and download it. Under the sky, you can see there are so many skies, let's say artificial lights. For example, if you want to have this rooftop night, just use the middle button to click it. Then you can find, for example, the pure sky. Maybe you want to have a sunset or anything. Sunset, sunrise, you can choose it from here. Use the middle button to click it. Once you click it already, next you click the triple line here and download the 8K tone map. Click. Then it is going to load as an image like this. This is the HDRI image. Right click and save image as, and as demo, I'm going to save it on my desktop. The rooftop night, I'm going to save one, and this one, I right click. Maybe I can choose others. This one, I right click to save. You can save this, but this is low resolution. We can try save the image as. This is a low resolution. WEBP, no. This format is unacceptable. You should click here, download the 8K tone map. Let's say this is the second one. Then while loading, I may just try to find new one. So I find it from here, let's say the urban. Then I choose this. So this one I download first, right click, save the image as on my desktop. It's JPG. So here as well, the 8K tone map. The rest I can close. Now, here I right click, save the image as on my desktop as well. Next, back to the Blender. Here click open, and it is on my desktop. By default, you can see the list, but you can click here to see the thumbnail. Let's say if I want to load this rooftop night, then you can see now it already have the correct lighting from here, the rooftop night. And if you don't want to see the background, you can just click here. Then under the film, you can just take the transparent so that when render it is not going to render the background. The background will be transparent. But if you want to see, it is fine. So now I may just try to duplicate this. I right click and duplicate this. Here I open another one. Let's say I open the sky is on fire. If I drag and drop here, then you can see it changed already. Become this. If I try to open another blue sky, sunset. Now you can see the lighting also changed already. It is going to set the lighting according to the picture. This is called IBL, the image-based lighting. Right, now you can switch it. And then in my sample, I have others as well. I copy this, then I open. I have more samples that I downloaded previously. Let's say this, the industrial pure sky. So if I double click this, it is going to load it, drag and drop. Now you can see different lighting, different effect. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create the image-based lighting, the background lighting for your Blender 3.6 3D animation software. And this image-based lighting, we can call it IBL as well, IBL or image-based lighting. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you.